Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christie. For today's video, we're going to talk about knife, kitchen utensils, and chopping boards. For parts of chef knife, we have spine, tongue, handle, rivets, bolster, heel, cutting edge, and tip. Put a damp paper towel or damp towel underneath your chopping board to prevent it from slipping. This is how to hold your knife. Knife skills: holding your knife properly and learning how to glide to slice the ingredients. On the other hand, you should know how to properly position your fingers to avoid any accidental knife cuts. Tingnan mabuti ang aking kamay. Kapag natutunan niyo ito, you will save more time in the kitchen. Tingnan mabuti ang aking kamay. Tingnan mabuti kung paano i-glide ang kutsilyo magmula sa tip ng kutsilyo hanggang heel ng kutsilyo. Tingnan mabuti ang kabila kong kamay kung paano nito alalayan ang kutsilyo para hindi masugatan ang mga daliri ko. Basic utensils we need in the kitchen: we need a chef knife. Chef knife ranges from 6 inches to 14 inches long. Bread knife, paring knife, you can choose serrated or straight edge or non-serrated knife. Knife sharpener, vegetable peeler, and kitchen scissors. In my home, we have 3 chopping boards. We have the red, the blue, and the white chopping board. This is for my cooked food, for my veggies, but it says it's fish. This is for my raw meat. For more information about the chopping boards, please see this and please see the description below. If you want me to be a culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.